Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. I'm Wendy O. And is there a major sell alert we need to be paying attention to when it comes to crypto? I'm also going to cover Bitcoin and take some meme coin requests from you awesome people. And I think I have successfully figured out how to live stream on TikTok and Twitter. No, TikTok and YouTube at the same time. I don't know how well it's working though, because it's just a little bit different. But anyways, we are here. We are going to do the best that we can. So please be patient with me, TikTokers and YouTube, because today is kind of like an experiment day. It's kind of like an experiment day to make sure that these things are working properly. Because I know one of the big gripes was that TikTok wasn't able to see my screen, and I think I figured it out. And yeah, we're just excited. So anyways, I'm going to cover what I originally wanted to do, because a lot of people are freaking out about Bitcoin price action, and not necessarily Bitcoin price action, but the entire market as a whole. So I wanted to really kind of show you guys some more in-depth technical analysis on the last Bitcoin halvening versus this Bitcoin halvening, and just kind of look at the charts. And I understand that these cycles are completely different. Like there's different fundamentals that are happening. So it's important because we didn't have the Bitcoin spot ETFs last cycle. And I feel like a lot of people have forgotten the low that we saw after the last Bitcoin halvening. Because again, that is a fundamental aspect of Bitcoin. And that's important. And the reason why it's important is because people expect, okay, we have all of these big TradFi folks here. We have all this money coming into the market. But really, after the last Bitcoin halvening, it took some time for price to appreciate. We automatically didn't shoot up. I want to say there was like a 6-month lull of that. So I won't do that today because I don't have time, because it was more important for me to set up the streaming correctly for both of the social media platforms. And I'm going to be live streaming on Twitch and Kick at the same time, and eventually Twitter. That's going to be a while for me to do just because a hot mess over there. I don't feel like dealing with it. But I want you guys just to be patient. I just want you to be patient. We'll also discuss, should you be selling your meme coins and your crypto? What should you be doing? And I will go through that. We will take some altcoin requests, all of those fun things. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. And I just want to remind you guys, please make sure to smash a like and to share this and to push it out, because when you do that, more and more people see it. More and more people see it. We currently have 150 of you on YouTube and about 70 of you on TikTok. And just be patient with me. This stream is going to be more of an educational stream for myself because we're streaming on both platforms. I understand it's boring, it's not fun, it's not sexy, but this is a big deal for me because I'm not tech savvy. But anyway, shout out to Mr. Rich. I will go ahead and take a look at Telegram, TikTok on Solana. There's a couple ones that I want to pay attention to myself. So I've got a couple meme coins listed below. I love that David Gore said, please, or smash like, please, my brethren. Thank you so much. All right, let's go ahead and get into the current state of the market. And it's working. I'm so excited. This is such a cool thing that is working on both platforms. Both platforms, you know, both platforms. Okay, here we go. All right. I'm a little bit nervous because you guys can see my screen on TikTok, and I love you guys. Honestly, TikTok, people will say terrible things about TikTok, but they are absolutely amazing. Like I love my TikTok community so much. And I also love my YouTube community. And I'm just honestly blessed that I have such strong support from all of these different communities on a global scale. And someone on TikTok said that thanks for the GME, I believe it was GME or AMC update. I made some good money, and I'm happy that you did. I'm not going to talk too much about GME and AMC and the whole Roaring Kitty thing, because I'm not a stock trader, and because it's a lot more in depth than what I can grasp, and that's okay. So if you want to know more about the movement and what's happening, Cancel Clothing, Mr. Cancel Co. He's just the best. He's one of my favorite content creators. I'm so thankful I found his content on TikTok because he's just really, really great. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and we are going to remove the drawing tools and really pay attention to what's happening with Bitcoin. So we had a 23% correction. And again, when I give you guys numbers, they're just approximates. It's never going to be straight on the nose. That's not how it works. So That's what we had happen. We had the 23% correction. I personally was like, I wanted lower. I wanted to get that 30% correction, $50,000 Bitcoin. That wasn't a call of mine, but it was an idea that I had. And I would absolutely love to see it. Because you have to remember, we get these crazy volatile corrections when it comes to Bitcoin. Okay? Crazy. And this is, I believe this is when the last halvening occurred around May 2020 in that area. So we do get some pullbacks and whatnot, but this pullback that we've seen over here, the 20% one, it's a really nice one. So let's go ahead. We're going to remove our drawing tools and we will take a look pretty much at a naked chart. I love using EMAs. Those are another one indicator. Those are more indicators that I do like to use. Oh, wow. We've got 200 people on TikTok. TikTok is kicking behind over here. We love to see it. I got 200 of you on TikTok and 200 on YouTube. So this is awesome. I'm so excited. You guys have really made my Sunday thus far. I'm so happy I got this streaming software set up. So big shout out to D because he helps me do lots of things. Music men are worth something. Just kidding. Okay. So this is what we've seen price action rise with Bitcoin. And again, entertainment purposes only for this channel. So we have opened here at 61.5. We are currently trading at about $67,000, and we did have a swing wick high to 67.6, but I'm not really going to denote that because it's not too terribly important because it's not a crazy number. But one of the things I wanted to really call out was a swing wick low that we had at 56.4. Okay. This was a great indication of a reversal. So when you do see these swing wick lows, or swing wick highs, it could indicate a reversal, and I'll explain why to you. So basically, we opened here, and this was 2 weeks ago. This was Monday, April 29, 2024, that week. So when you open at we opened at about $63,000. We closed at 64, but we had bears push price all the way down to $56,700. What does this mean? This means the bears stepped in and they pushed price down regardless of whatever it is they're doing, whether it be options or shorting or liquidations or whatever, okay? Or selling. That's what that is. But the fact that we were able to close at 64,000, that's incredibly bullish. And these swing wick lows are good indications of potential reversals. However, the week before, or 2 weeks before, Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, that week, we opened at 65.8, we closed at 64.6, and we did have a swing wick low to $60,000. But then the week after, we had another red candle. So again, these are not always good indications of reversals, but they can happen. That's important to pay attention to. So thus far for Bitcoin, we're looking great. We're currently trading at about $67,000. But if you want to zoom out and really, let's take a look at the monthly. Monthly is going to be over here. This is great price action. This is absolutely great price action. Like, yes, we did have these high areas here of about $72,000, but really the fact that we're kind of trading above all-time high, above the candle closes here at about $61,000, this is bullish. And even though we have had swing wick lows and price action that did occur there, that's like a bunch of noise. It's basically buyers and sellers fighting to see where price is going to go. It's indecision of the market. That's at least what I think about when I see these candle wicks. And the same over here. So the fact that we're trading above the monthly close back in 2021 when we hit all-time high of $69,000, that is incredibly bullish for me. But just because I am bullish on Bitcoin doesn't mean I am bullish on meme coins and on altcoins, because it doesn't always work that way. I've got 300 people on TikTok watching live, which is absolutely outstanding. And on YouTube, we have 248. So TikTok is beating you guys. So you got to share this. We got to get more people in here, and we need to smash a like. I've only got 76 likes on YouTube, and on TikTok, what do I got? It doesn't tell me how many likes. Doesn't tell me, but that's okay. All right. And again, I'm still getting ready to learn all of this and all of that stuff. Yeah, I bought stocks for only the second time in my life, and I'm scared that I lost my money. You got to be careful. And Keen, if you don't understand how to trade or how to sell or check those emotions, what you can do is you can paper trade and essentially learn that stuff, and it'll help. It'll help. Promise. If you don't know what paper trading is, that's okay. You can find it out on Investopedia. So anyways, taking a look at the daily, that was a weekly. Taking a look at the daily, price action is really kind of fluctuating between these levels at about 73,000 and more so the $61,000 area. And Bitcoin is trying to push above 66.7 here. Now, when we do take a look at the 4 hour, you will just see minuscule price action. One of my favorite indicators to use is the Bollinger Bands. So we'll go ahead and toss those up just so that you can see. I have to kind of redo them because whatever. But these are the Bollinger Bands here. And these are great, especially when you're trading on lower time frames, to kind of gauge that volatility. Okay, is to kind of gauge that volatility, because when it pinches the upper part, it could indicate a volatile reversal. When it pinches the lower part, it could indicate a volatile move upward over here. So we do like the Bollinger Bands. So right now it is looking like we are going to have a correction on the 4-hour chart, because we've been pinching. So that could indicate a simple move down to about $65,000. But realistically, when we take a look at the weekly, we're doing great. We've got a lot more room to head upwards. We've got strong support with the SMA, which is the middle line over here with the Bollinger Bands, because you've got your top over here, your bottom down here, and the Bollinger Band simple moving average. I use EMAs because they're a little bit faster than simple moving averages, but we've got great support at about 56,000. So as far as Bitcoin goes, I am bullish. Even if we get another breakdown to 56,000, I am still bullish. Now, when we do take a look at the entire market cap over here, we can get a little bit of a gauge as to what is happening. So taking a look at the weekly, you're going to be able to see what has done well. WIF, which is a very popular meme coin, down 16%. Solana is up 18.1%. Link had some great news, up 25%. So what's interesting here is we're actually seeing, well, besides Floki and Safe, which are, I believe, are both meme coins, Floki for sure, but some of the blue chip stuff are starting to do well, which we absolutely love. So with that being said, I do want to take a moment to cover Solana for you. Because I do think that Bitcoin will close at least at about I think that we shouldn't trade. It won't get too much more volatile at the $67,000 area. And I do feel confident that we are going to close above 62,000. Even on the daily, when we take a look, I feel that that's pretty feasible. Now, I do want to take a look at Ethereum. So this is our Ethereum chart over here on the daily. The difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin is super simple, as you guys can see. Very simple here. Ethereum is not as strong as Bitcoin. This is an older trend line that we drew, and we drew it back around April 8th, which is about Monday. And we haven't been able to break above it. We retested the 28th, and we retested again on the 19th. And we were not able to break above it. Also, too, the top of the Bollinger Band is indicating a strong area of resistance. And it is what it is. That tends to happen. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and zoom in to the 4-hour chart and see if we can see anything different. The 4-hour chart is looking bearish and is looking like it wants to continue to correct. And we're getting ready to lose support at the SMA here and possibly head down to about $3,000, $2,900, which is okay. So until I can get a clear breakout of this trend line somewhere, I'm going to be a little bit bearish short term on Ethereum. Now, as far as Solana goes, let's take a look at what she's doing. So this is our Solana chart. This is the daily. Let me go ahead and remove. These are old lines over here. We are pinching the upper part of Solana on the top of the Bollinger Band. And again, this could indicate a reversal. We did have a swing wick low on the daily all the way to 165, currently trading at 170, and we did get a swing wick low earlier at 175. So this could be indicating reversal because, again, we're pinching the upper part of the Bollinger Band. On the weekly, oopsie, wrong one, wrong thing. There we go. All right. I don't want to do the object tree. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and reset our chart over here. Okay, reset our chart and make sure that all my screens are working because I've got like 80, 100,000 million gazillion screens over here. Okay. You can swing my wick low anytime. I've got a good remark for that, but I won't say it. I won't say it. All right, so this is going to be our daily chart, and it is looking like we want to get a little bit of a pullback here on Solana, maybe like a retest to about 161. Now, taking a look at the weekly here, weekly has a beautiful candle. So again, you guys, on the weekly, it does look like we do have potential for upside because MarketCypher did print that green dot, and we are currently trading above this area of resistance, or excuse me, support at 162. So as far as Solana goes, I would be a little bit cautious just because of the price action I'm seeing on the daily. However, we could do something like this, where we pop down and we do something like that. That could be it. Now, at the 4-hour chart, this is kind of giving me the same vibes. same vibes. We're currently trying to break above the Bollinger Band SMA 20. We have the bottom line here at about 161. So this would be a trading idea that I would consider if I wanted to enter now. Now for Solana long term bullish, yes, it absolutely is. I do think that Solana will do at least 700 to about 1,000. Okay, let's go ahead and get back to what's going on over here. Okay, we did Ethereum. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take some altcoin requests. We will head over to Twitter, and we've got a lot of stuff here. So Crypto Chaos, he is on TikTok, I believe. We're going to go ahead and chart his coin because he asked, and he's made interesting videos about me. Mr. Dan, big Cardano guy, nicest guy ever in the industry. He wants to take a look at WEIRDO on base, so we will do that. We will take a look at TikTok on Solana because you guys keep asking me, and this is the last time I'll take a look at it. And we will do Duck on. We will do Big Duck on Energy, Big Duck Energy on base. We'll go and do that first. Again, you guys, I don't hold any of these coins right now. If I do, I will let you guys know. But then we'll go in and take a look at some other one as well. Emily says FFEI. If you guys like metal, actually, if you guys like musicians and you want to actually support NFTs, support Emily. People talk all the time. I want to support women in crypto. I want to support musicians. Do it. Your opportunity. You don't really support us unless you watch our content and you interact with us. That's how you support someone. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. So we're going to go and pull the contract here. And again, I appreciate when you guys send me the actual contracts because it makes my life easier. And see, and that's my fancy scanner from Costco. Okay, so this thing just launched and I don't know what's going on with it, but it doesn't look good. I wouldn't touch it right now just because there's just a bunch of buys. But again, that could currently change. It's brand new. There's only a $3,000 market cap. I don't touch things that are that look like this. And just because I'm saying that doesn't mean that it's bad. It's just right now for me, or actually some degens might want to go ahead and get into it, but you guys do have to be extremely careful with these types of things, in my personal opinion. So with that being said, very early for me on this one. I don't know exactly what the roadmap's going to be or what they're going to do, but again, you guys can do your due diligence on that, and I do not have any. Again, I do think that base will go off, but I don't know enough about this to determine. I do follow him on Twitter. I enjoy the content, but again, don't know enough about this to do anything with. Now, we're going to go ahead and take a look at Chaos on Sol. Chaos. And again, some of these are going to be a little bit cuckoo. So, okay, Chaos, Wrapped ETH, Wrapped ETH, Wrapped ETH. Crypto Chaos. I think it's this one here. Is it Crypto Chaos? I think so. And if you guys are watching, I would need the contract address. This looks a little bit better to me. We do have support here at about 5649. And I do get a lot of people, Wendy, when are you going to launch a coin? I have no idea when I'm going to launch a coin. Do I really need to launch a coin? Do I need to launch a coin? No, I don't need to. There's no point. Financial metal home, Wendy. Heck yeah, baby. Okay, so we've got quite a few of you in here, almost 400 on TikTok, on YouTube. So go ahead and smash the like, get this up. Now we're going to go ahead and go back. I think this is the right one. I don't know. But we are holding support here at about 57.64. I would need to see us sustain, because if we don't sustain, things can get a little bit ugly. This is a very low cap project. The other one we did just had launched. So again, high risk is going to be like crazy risk. This one is still a little bit risky. There's about 834 holders. Liquidity is only 85,000 and the market cap is only about $500,000. So you got to really kind of pick and choose what you want to get in with. And this doesn't look that great as of yet. However, we hold support here. It could be a good opportunity. Now, I do want to take a look at TikTok on Sol, because they keep asking me. So we will take a look at that and see. All right, TikTok, blah, 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 blah. And I believe it is this one over here. I think. Today we're doing some crazy dumpster diving. Some ridiculous dumpster diving, what it seems like, okay? All right, this is the contract address, so let's go ahead and take a look. Go here, just put it in, copy, paste. All right, so Okay, this is the one here, and it is currently pumping. It's currently sending. Market cap is very small, though. These are ones, when you see a super small market cap like this, it could either be a good thing or a very, very bad thing. There's no in between with it. This thing has been around for a while. So again, there's a bunch of people that got in over here. And they are, even though they are in an uptrend, they're selling, and they will be dumping on you because that's how this works. Now, with that being said, we are in an uptrend. Price has sustained and doing pretty well. So just as long as we continue the trajectory upward and we don't lose support on the trend line, I think that it would be something that might be interesting. However, you can see all of the people that bought in here. So they're up significantly. And that's always something to pay attention to. So even at the current price, the people that bought there, they're up 3,400%. 3,400%. So keep that in mind. Okay. That's not a bad thing, but it is what it is. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at Duck on Sol. I think they're going to send me some shoes. I have no idea. That would be fun. I've got all these meme coin things. So this is Duck on Sol. Chart doesn't look super great. This is a daily chart though. So they've been around. Market cap is almost 3 million. Okay. All right. All right. We did get an ugly swing wick low, but we're back above this little trend line over here. And again, these are not drawn super to scale, you guys. So just as long as we hold support here at about 2861, we are good. Taking a look at the 4 hour to see if there's any difference here. 4 hours looking okay. 4 hours looking okay. Someone stepped in and bought some. There's about 3,700 holders. Liquidity is about 250,000, which is good. So there's that. I think that it's decent. They do have an audit. So if you wanted to go ahead and verify that and check that out, good for you. That would be wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. I'm looking at some of these stuff over here. Yeah. We need some more likes, though. We need some more likes from both TikTok and YouTube. Got to get these likes up. Got to get these likes up. We've got 100 people on TikTok. Oh, Raider popped in. So when Raider pops in, we listen. Vibe AI. VAI. Okay, so remember we talked about a lot of these AI tokens? And we've been investing in a lot of the meme stuff and all kinds of stuff, especially when it comes to AI because they end up doing all. Wait, Raider, I think this is it. If you want to message me on Telegram, though, I could take a look. So this is Vibe AI. I hope this is the right one. And again, unless I have the contract, it makes it a little bit hard. So this thing popped up and then it's currently dropping. Market cap is only 2 million. And again, I think this is the correct one. Let me double check and see. Memes getting butchered. They are getting butchered. And I'm going to give you my take in a little bit about memes. I will give you my take a little bit on memes. And guys, thank you so much for the gifts. Thank you to Adam and Mass and Keller. I really, really appreciate it. And to all the diamonds and everything like that. But right now, it's not doing too terribly well. And I think we have some. I have to ask Greater. All right, so the market cap is $2 million. Liquidity is about 140,000. Holders about 1,000, so that's good. A little bit of diversification there. So as far as this goes, it's unfortunate that it's dropping right now. But memes are getting slaughtered, you guys. They are getting slaughtered. They're getting slaughtered. So they're revolutionizing social media interaction with AI-driven content curation. The future of SoFi is here. So they are a meme. I don't know if this would be classified as a meme coin, but they are a coin that actually does have utility. And remember, we are invested in Kai, and Kai also does have utility as well. So I think that, and I think probably the most important thing when we are talking about meme coins is we should be paying attention to ones that do have utility that can continue to grow. Because if you don't really have utility and you just have a community, it doesn't necessarily make sense, in my personal opinion. But what do I know? Anyways, let's get back into it. So this is Vi over here, and chart is not looking great, but that might not necessarily be a bad thing. All right, so this is the 4 hour. Yeah, we have to really hold on to support about 0013. Really, really, really have to over here. So hopefully it holds. If not, we should see 9175. And then we have another full retracement here at about 005, which again, if they continue to build and do what they're supposed to do, it could be a good buying opportunity. But at the same time, there's like 9 million meme coins out there, and it could get a little bit risky. It could definitely get a little bit risky. We're going to go ahead and take a look at WEIRDO on base. I can never spell WEIRDO. WEIRDO on base. Okay. I think this one is it. I think this one is it. I hope it is. This one actually looks healthy. I like the way this looks. This probably might be my favorite meme coin that we've covered. Market cap, 7 million. Liquidity is pretty decent, about 450,000. Holders are very diversified, about 5,800. So this is good. This is a nice uptrend. This is the 4 hour. We did get a swing wick low here of about 8,992. So if you can hold on to that, fantastic. But other than that, this chart actually looks pretty decent to me. It does. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. There we go. And the 4 hour. Okay, let's do the hour and see. Yeah, this is looking good. I actually think that WEIRDO looks the best out of any of these. But again, just entertainment purposes. And just because I didn't like the way some of the other ones look doesn't mean they're bad projects. It just, I don't have to like everything. And I think that that's okay. Now, I do want to go back and I do want to look at Queen Bee, Mr. Doji, Mrs. Doji. Okay. Actually, I want to take a look at PEPE. All right, PEPE. PEPE is down and currently trading underneath resistance. It was resistance. Now it is resistance under support. Sorry, it's been a weekend. I had too many margaritas last night. I had a great time though. It was super, super fun. Okay, I just want to make sure y'all can see it. Tap into cheeks and thank me later. Maybe. All right. So with that being said, on the daily for PEPE, this is actually good. I want PEPE to dump. I want it to dump back here to about 491 because I want to buy some. But right now the chart is not looking too terribly great on the daily. We lost support here at about 923, testing the Bollinger Band simple moving average, and we could head back down to about 760. Now taking a look at the 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart is struggling to stay above. Market Cipher did print a big green dot that generally indicates you find a local bottom, but however, we are struggling to stay above here. So I kind of want to see what happens on the lower time frames, because the 45-minute is showing that we're wanting to pop up and retest, but we do have some heavy resistance at 924 and about 963. And then I do want to take a look at Doge. And see what's going on, because this is a cult classic. This is a meme coin favorite. This is what's happened with Doge. And again, I'm using the Binance chart because it was the easiest one to find. I've seen 10 of these lives recently. We are approaching a top of stocks in crypto. So this is the thing, not my real name. I've been streaming daily since 2019, I think. Like daily, like daily. I don't really cover stocks because stocks are the biggest Ponzi's ever. But yeah, you can go to my website and research me if you want. Yeah, because that's what we do over here. But thank you for being here. Make sure you smash a like. Get it up, get it up, get it up. Get it up, get it up. Weirdo Wendy. Heck yeah, baby. Shout out to Gamer. Shout out to Mr. R. Shout out to Raider. Raider's always checking me over here. BBL Drake. Oh, I wish I could play that song. BBL Drizzy, because it's like the first week it was literally, they're adding liquidity whale friendly to Vi. Yeah, no, I believe they are. And I believe one of the reasons why Vibe AI is doing that is because they're a legitimate project. Fingers crossed. Again, just entertainment purposes only. But anyways, let's get back to Doge. Doge. Did I get a super chat? Oh, I got a $4.99 super chat from Carlos. Thank you so much. Raider, hold on. When Raider speaks, we listen. The same with Gamer. If good project, then buy the blood. If pure meme, then get in early or not. He's right. Check out. Okay, let's go ahead and do Doge. Finish Doge. So this is what's going on with Doge long term, and that's okay. Now, with that being said, taking a look at the daily, we broke out, but we're falling down below the trend line again. I actually want to start with a naked chart and really kind of analyze this and see what's going on. Okay, so this is the weekly. We're above the simple moving average, so we're going to call support at the simple moving average at 13 cents. With that being said, we drop down and pop up. Taking a look at the daily over here, down, up, down. Okay, a lot of consolidation between 17 and about 13 here. A lot of consolidation. Taking a look at the 4 hour. Same with the 4 hour. So when it comes to Dogecoin, I would watch the areas between 17 and 13 cents. That's my opinion. So now let's go ahead and have a little bit of a chatty chat over here. Bought Dogeverse, can't withdraw money. Yeah, sorry, that sucks. All right. Let's have a chat over here. So right now, taking a look at the market, And actually, before we have the chat, I want to take a look at total really quick. And I believe there is a total 3 now, which allows you to take a look at everything besides Bitcoin, Ethereum, and it's just altcoins. So total over here, this is the total market cap, crypto cap. This one, yeah. So this is total. This is total, which includes the entire market cap with everything excluding Bitcoin. So and total, the regular total has everything, which is currently at about, the market cap is 2.36 trillion, and total without Bitcoin, because Bitcoin makes up such a big percentage, is about $1.03 trillion. So let's go ahead. We are going to reset the chart. We are going to go to the daily. We are going to go ahead and, why is it doing that? Whatever. Okay. So this is what we're seeing, and money is leaving the market. You guys can directly see that on total. Money is leaving the market when it comes to Ethereum, Solana, meme coins, and all of it. So it looks like we actually want to head back down to about 1.007. And I would be prepared for the possibility that we go below $1 trillion. So with that being said, unless we're able to sustain the simple moving average at 1.00, and then continue our way up, I wouldn't be too, I would prepare yourself for that mentally, but at the same time, I wouldn't get freaked out. Now I'm going to see if we can draw trend lines. So we can kind of see what's going on clearly. So the possibility of us breaking down below 1 trillion could happen. And just as long as we can sustain the trend line here at about 977, I think we should be okay. Now, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and do the little rectangle and kind of mark these areas here, which is important. Okay, there we go. So just as long as we stay above 900 billion, totally good. Now, what's going on here? So it looks like meme coins are dumping, which should make sense because we have like 30,000 meme coins that have been created. There's a brand new meme coin that happens every day. So what should we do about this? Well, this is why we advocate on the channel to make moon bags. A moon bag is when you've done your due diligence, you've put disposable income into a project, number goes up, you remove your initial investment, some profit, and enough for taxes. Then you want to take your profit, and then you can continue to roll it and other things. Making a moon bag is not selling everything. It is removing risk, and you have to look at it that way. So even if it's in stocks or whatever it is you're trading, that is something you are going to have to hit in your head. And some people might be like, well, it's lettuce hands, it's paper handing, it's selling. Yeah, it is, but you're removing the risk. Why would you want to be a bag holder? So that being said, Bitcoin looks strong. Some meme coins look strong. Some of the altcoins are looking okay, but right now, when we do actually take a look at what's going on with the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, if we do break below this line here at about 1 trillion, it could get a little bit ugly. So be a little bit cautious. With that being said, if you're in any positions, just take a look at them. Watch this video, share this video, do your own analysis and see if it might be a good time for you to sell, because it might not be a good time for you to sell. You might be in some meme coins that are outliers and they continue to do well. And when you are looking for meme coins, every single project that's going to launch right now, for the most part, is going to be a meme coin. But the way to know if it is a good meme coin or it is a bad meme coin, you will need to look at the community. What is the community doing? Then also look at the utility, like Vibe AI. They are going to be using AI to do different things in the industry with content, I believe. And that's bullish. We want to see projects that are creating things that have a valid utility. That's just my personal opinion. But anyways, we are going to get going. Well, somebody just posted DCAT, so I'll go DJCAT on Sol for $4.99. $4.99 is a super chat. And shout out to Kadena. We've got some more Kadena content coming. And Shrapnel, I love Shrapnel, love what they're doing. Gamer said, when the daily demand buying 40. Okay, hold on. Sorry. Let me read what Gamer's saying. And if you guys are on TikTok and you're watching the stream, please head over to the YouTube chat because Gamer drops some crazy alpha. Crazy alpha. Okay. Now, with that being said, he said, when the daily demand is buying 4,500 Bitcoin per day, while the daily supply is 450 Bitcoin per day, this is what supply shock looks like. Take advantage of the dip because it's only a matter of time. Now that Gamer said that, I want to just remind you guys something, okay? This is basic economics 101. What the hell is my computer? My computer's always doing something stupid. So the only takeaway I learned about economics in college was that when you have a small amount of something and there's a demand for it and people are buying, number goes up. But if you have a large amount of something, generally the value goes down because nobody wants it. Nobody wants it. What the hell? I don't want this thing up. Why is this doing this? Ah! Why is this doing this? Ugh, what the freak is this crap? There we go. Anyways, so Gamer is right. When you have a small amount of something that holds extreme value, number will continue to go up. So if you're holding Bitcoin right now, and we talk about moonbags, I don't want you guys to sell your Bitcoin. I don't think you should sell your Bitcoin unless you need to pay for something like an emergency house, something like that. I don't think it's worth selling Bitcoin. That's my personal opinion. Okay. I don't think it's time to sell Bitcoin yet. Meme coins? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah. Do I have one of my impersonators here too? Hold on, we got to do DJCAT on Sol. They said DJCAT. I don't know what the hell this is, but I will chart it for you. I will chart it for you. And again, sometimes if things just launch, they can do well. They can. But just because I wouldn't buy something doesn't mean that you should follow that idea. As apparently I'm wrong all the time. All right, so this is DJCAT. This actually looks pretty decent. I love that it's in an uptrend here. It's been in a legitimate uptrend on the way up. Market cap is 14 million, liquidity half a million, holders 4,700. This actually looks decent over here. DJCAT. It does. It looks pretty decent. I don't know enough about this, but looks pretty good. Now let's go and take a look at their Twitter. Do they have a Twitter? Yeah, a very small community. So I don't know, this might be worth taking a look into. Because I actually like the chart a lot. And I think it's got the meme-ness. It has the ability to go viral with memes because of that cat. So this is what the price looks like here. Raider, maybe we should take a look at this. What do you think? Because it looks like it might come back down to about 0.1 and then pop back up. So I don't know. I think it looks good. Looks decent. But again, I don't know about it. All right, this show is for entertainment purposes only. These are just thoughts and ideas that I have. If you like what you see, go ahead and smash a like and share this, subscribe and set alerts. If you don't like what you see, thank you for being here and rocking with me. I hope you guys have a beautiful Sunday. I am on my way to pick up my daughter. We are going to, I had birria tacos and big margaritas last night. So I'm going to take the leftovers of the birria taco. I'm going to fry up some eggs and go get some beans from my local I can't say it in Spanish, but my local place has carne asada. I think it's like a mercado, but it's a meat market. Anyways, going there, going to get some. I don't feel like making my own beans, but thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Sending you love and light, and thank you so much for supporting the entire O Show. You guys are freaking amazing. It is Sunday. You guys turned out and you came out for me. Shout out. Should we sell Solana? No. Let me answer this really quick for you. Should we sell Solana? I would not. I have a moon bag of Solana that I bought with TikTok last cycle. I believe they're like 20, it was under $40. So I've got a moon bag of that. And then I also bought in around $60, $60 to $70, I believe, before it pumped like crazy. I'm not planning on selling my Solana right now. I personally think that Solana will do $700 to $1,000 just because of all the activity on it, the easiness to use Phantom Wallet, all of that stuff. So I'm not planning on selling my Solana yet. I will probably sell half of it around $700 to $1,000 though. And if we do get some crazy significant dip here, I will add more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good rest of your day. The show is for entertainment purposes only. Smash a like and share this. Bye-bye.